The BMW M2 is the type of M that enthusiasts expect from BMW, that is, it's not so quick around the track that it compromises driver engagement. It's arguably the closest thing to the BMW 2002, the sports sedan that inspired enthusiasts in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Overall, performance from the M2 is superlative, and it's got good base equipment, although its style isn't universally loved. Much of the M2 equipment is designed for performance, especially on the track. The twin-scroll turbo 3.0-liter inline-six is the same engine used in the bigger M3 and M4, distinctly tuned for the track, including its pistons and iron cylinder liners. Its oil sump is designed to maintain oil pressure during hard cornering. It makes 365 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 343 pound-feet of torque between 1,400 and 5,560 revolutions per minute, with overboost to 369 pounds-feet. The M2 rockets from 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds with the 7-speed dual clutch, 4.4 seconds with the 6-speed manual. Top speed is 155 miles per hour, unless you want to spend $2,500 more for the driver's package that frees it to go 168 miles per hour. It's a new option for 2017 BMW M2 models and includes a BMW driver's school, a fun option. The aluminum suspension and axle systems come from the M3 and M4, with aluminum subframes and chassis stiffening. The electronic active M differential can lock one wheel in 150 milliseconds, repeatedly, to stop wheel spin when the wheel has no traction, for example on glare ice.